It was the third day of the 10-day Vipassana retreat that I had gone for. My knees were paining from the fact that I was sitting for many hours cross-legged, something which I was not used to doing in the past. In fact, the knee pain was so much that the previous night I hadn't really slept well. Now, for those of you who are familiar with the Vipassana, you know that in the 10 days of meditating, we don't talk to other participants. We're only allowed to talk to the teacher if we have any questions. And so I decided to approach my teacher with my predicament. And when my turn came, I went and asked him, what could I do to relieve myself of the knee pain? I thought he would tell me some exercise that I could do, or probably give me a chair so that I could sit comfortably. He looked at me and said, accept. Accept? What did he mean, I thought. That night, as I went to bed, I decided to heed to his advice. And so I told myself, I accept my knee pain. And I slept better that night. That's when I realized the power of acceptance. Hi, my name is Gavin and I bring you simple videos on self-development because I believe self-development is the greatest investment. Today I want to focus on the power of acceptance. When I came back from the Vipassana retreat, I decided to use my learning there in my professional life too. So when 2020 brought out its own set of challenges, I decided to accept. When things didn't go as per plan professionally, I accepted. And once I accepted, I focused on what do I need to do to change. So you see, when I say accept, I don't mean that you remain stuck in the situation that you are in. What I mean is that you channel your energy into focusing on what you need to do to adapt or to change, rather than channeling your energy towards resenting what's happening around you. And so if you're someone who has to take a pay cut this year, accept. If you're someone who didn't get that dream job that you were looking for this year, accept. If you're someone who lost your job this year, accept. If you're someone for whom things are not working out well personally, accept. Accept and then focus on what you need to do to bring about the change that you want to in your life. You see, I believe acceptance is the first step towards change. In my example, the chair was a metaphor for the comfort that I was looking for. You too might be looking for some sort of comfort which you are not ready to leave this year. But my teacher was firm. He emphasized on the need to accept discomfort too. And so I learned to observe what I'm feeling without really getting attached to it. And I invite you to do the same. Observe what is it that you're feeling without being attached. Know that whatever it is that you are facing, this too shall pass, and focus on bringing about the change that you want to in your life. A friend once told me, stress is the gap between expectation and reality. I think it helps to accept reality. You can manage stress better by acceptance. As the old saying goes, what you resist persists, and what you accept changes. So go ahead and accept what you are facing in this challenging year, and then change. I wish you the very best on this journey of self-development that you are on. May the power of acceptance be with you.